In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix BiliBili app not working. So if BiliBili application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable network. So make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. After you do that, your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, it might be because of the cache of the application. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, launch up an app library of your device. Find the application for BiliBili and long press on it. Now tap on this option, App Info. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of BiliBili. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. Clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared and your problem should be solved. Now the BiliBili application should start working, but if it still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating the application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for BiliBili. Now you'll be able to see several results over here. Find the application for BiliBili and tap on it. In another interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now after you update the application, your application should start working. But if it still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. After you do that, your application should start working. But sometimes the problem might be in the device itself. In that case, what you have to do is restart the device, long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So like this, you'll be able to solve your problem. So that is how you fix BiliBili app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.